Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Cook with Cookie. In today's video, I'm going to show you a traditional sweet without using 1 tablespoon of oil or ghee or sugar. So if you ask your grandparents what they like pizza or burger, they obviously say that they like their generation food only because it's healthier and way more tastier. So let me tell you how to prepare this traditional sweet. First of all, take quarter cup of tapioca or sago or sabudana, add it into a blender and blend it into a fine powder. On the other hand, take a bowl and add 1 full cup of rice flour into it and then add the powdered tapioca or sago or sabudana and mix it nicely. Now take half a cup of jaggery. Here I have taken jaggery, half a cup, and put it aside. Now I have taken 2 cups of coconut milk. For coconut milk, you need to cut coconut into pieces, add into a blender, and then you need to add hot water and extract the coconut milk. Now once you're done with the coconut milk, place a pan on the stove, add jaggery and the coconut milk and allow the jaggery to melt on low flame or simmer it. Add ilachi or cardamom powder and mix it nicely and allow the jaggery to melt. On the other hand, for preparing our traditional sweet, you need to prepare cones from banana leaf. So here I have prepared many cones, see, from banana leaf. So how to prepare this? You need to take a banana leaf and cut into a rectangular shape like this as shown. Now fold from one edge and close tightly at the bottom that there will be no leaks, and overlap from the other end as shown and seal it with a stapler. Now cut the excess part on top of it, that is the cone shaped one, with the help of a scissor, and that's it. You're done with your cone. Now you're almost ready to prepare your sweet. Now what is this sweet called, you might be wondering. This is called klorot. This is an ancient or traditional Malaysian and Indonesian and Brunei sweet. So once the jaggery is all melted, see like this, you put off the stove and then allow it to cool. Once it's all cooled, then only you need to add the rice flour and this tapioca flour into the coconut milk and see that there are no lumps formed, and also you need to stir it nicely and you need to check that your consistency should be in a pouring consistency. So I'll show you how what consistency you should get it. See, I have shown you with the help of a ladle here. This should be the consistency for preparing a perfect klorot sweet. Now as you're preparing this klorot sweet out of tapioca and also with banana leaves, this is very healthy. The polyphenols in the banana leaf acts as natural antioxidants and fight the free radicals in our body and also prevents diseases. So this is very healthy recipe. Now once you fill the cone with the batter that is we prepared from coconut milk and the rice flour, put it on a idli cooker and allow it to cook for 25 minutes on medium flame, and that's it. Your klorot sweet is all ready. This is so yummy and tasty and way more healthier. Now you can see this is so shining. Without adding any oil and ghee and sugar, you can enjoy the sweet. Every diabetic patient can enjoy this sweet without any guilt. Now trust me, you can have this once in a month because it is healthy. The kids, the elders and the senior citizens, everybody in your family will truly love this. So if you tried this, please let me know how it turned to you in the comment section, and also please subscribe our channel and also stay tuned for more videos. Press the bell icon, like, share and comment. Thank you so much.